Okay, in 3.21, if we graph Mary Granola's indifference curves with avocados on horizontal axis and grapefruit vertical, she has more grapefruit, slope is -2, more avocados, slope is -half. What would the be indifferent bundle from with 24 avocados and 26, and another bundle that has 32 avocados? So I think this will be very similar. Let's try to do this very fast, very fast. Okay. So again I have ICs of slope 2 here and half here. The point given to me is 24 comma 36. This is the point 24 comma 36. Okay, so this is slope -2 and this is slope -half. Okay, so I want to find x comma, sorry, this point, which will be of the format a comma it will be of the format x equals to y. Okay, x equals to y line पे lie करेगा. Okay, so the equation of this line, sorry, so how do I proceed? So let's say this point is a comma a. Okay, a comma a, let's say this point is a comma a because avocados equals to grapefruit. Then this slope will be equal to 24 minus a upon 36 minus a upon 24 minus a. This should be equal to -2. Okay, so slope between any two points का मैंने formula लगा. This is the point, this is the equation for slope between any two points. Okay, delta y upon delta x. So 36 minus a upon 24 minus a equals to -2. This implies that 36 minus a is equals to 2a minus 48, which implies that 3a is equals to 48 plus 36. So that's 40, 50, 60, 70, 84, which implies a is equals to 84 by 3. So that is 28. Okay, so this point becomes 28 comma 28. Now you know you have to compare it with the point 32 comma x. Okay, so you want to compare it with point 32 comma, sorry, 32 comma b, g, 32 comma g. So again I'll use the formula for slope here. So using the formula for slope, I get g minus 28 upon 32 minus 28 is equal to -half, which implies that g minus 28 is equals to 28 minus 32, so that's -4. So g minus 28 into 2 should be equal to minus times of 32 minus 28, so that's -4. So this implies 2g is equals to 28 to the 56 minus 4, so that is 52. So g is equals to 52 by 2, so that is 26. Okay, so this point becomes 32 comma 26. So now I did it very fast. So this is how much time you would take it in an exam.